Earth's bright image from space is changing. A new study reveals that our planet is becoming asymmetrically darker, a phenomenon that may mark the beginning of a major shift. The familiar view of Earth from space, a radiant sphere with green patches, blue oceans, and white clouds, is undergoing change. According to recent research, Earth is losing its reflectivity, a process known as darkening. But this change isn't uniform. The northern hemisphere is dimming faster than the southern hemisphere, a trend that could disrupt climate systems and accelerate global warming. As reported by Scientific American, these unexpected findings come from a 24-year satellite data analysis led by Norman Lubb, senior radiation scientist at NASA. By comparing incoming solar radiation with the energy reflected back into space, researchers discovered a lack of symmetry between the hemispheres. Scientists measure planetary reflectivity using a concept called albedo. Previously, it was believed that despite physical differences, more land and ice in the north, more ocean in the south, cloud cover balanced the hemisphere's reflectivity, maintaining a kind of brightness symmetry. But the new study shows that this balance is breaking. Brian Soden, professor of atmospheric sciences at the University of Miami, explains, one hemisphere has more continents, the other more oceans. One has Antarctica, the other the Arctic Ocean. Despite these differences, it was assumed their total reflectivity was equal. So why is the northern hemisphere darkening? Researchers propose several hypotheses. 1. Faster warming. The north is warming more rapidly. Warmer air holds more water vapor, which absorbs solar radiation. 2. Environmental paradox. Reduced air pollution and aerosols in countries like the US and China mean less sunlight is reflected by the atmosphere. Simultaneously, rapid melting of Arctic ice and snow has reduced Earth's reflective surface. In contrast, the southern hemisphere has seen increased aerosols from major volcanic eruptions and widespread wildfires in Australia, temporarily boosting its reflectivity. Brian Soden warns of the consequences. When reflectivity balance breaks, the entire climate system shifts to transfer energy from the surplus hemisphere to the deficit one. In simpler terms, the climate cycle reconfigures itself to redistribute energy, affecting ocean currents and the position of rainfall belts, changes that directly impact water resources. Naturally, more absorbed solar radiation means a hotter northern hemisphere, leading to more ice and snow melt and intensifying the global warming cycle. Researchers note that while a direct link between this phenomenon and increased tropical rainfall in the north hasn't been confirmed, signs of such a trend are emerging. Changes in Earth's reflectivity, especially in the northern hemisphere, are not just indicators of deep climate transformation, they're warning signals for the planet's environmental future. This asymmetric phenomenon, by influencing energy cycles, ocean currents, and rainfall patterns, could have far-reaching effects on water resources, agriculture, and habitability. A deeper understanding of this trend and urgent action to mitigate its impacts are vital for preserving Earth's climate balance and environmental sustainability.